guys, and welcome back. So as you've probably guessed it, today we're going to be sowing some more seeds. So we're well on into April now, and I've been meaning to sow these for a few days now, just haven't had a chance to get around to it. So I'll bring you in. Right then, so I'm going to have a quick look into some of the seeds that we're going to be sowing this April, and I'm going to get some sown today. So I'm going to do some butternut squash. I haven't really done these before. We're going to be doing loads of beans, some from Ali D and some from Bill and Val, the Pongos and the Red Swan. Did both of these last year, they both did really well. Going to be doing some dwarf French bean, purple teepee, and some climbing French bean, speckled cranberry. Going to do them today. And we're also going to be doing some more carrots, some bilotti, these are my own saved seed, some more carrots, and I'm going to have another go at doing the Cape gooseberries, because out of the whole packet I ended up with one. So I'm going to do that packet and see if we can't get a couple more. Going to do another sowing of lettuce, and I'm also going to do some corn. This is Incredible F1. Wasn't going to do sweet corn this year, but changed my mind about that. Also going to be trying these out. These are grow tubes, 6 centimeters. And have a read of that, and a quick read of the back. But these were £3.29 at my local hardware store, and that's for 20 of them, so I thought I'd give them a go. Never used them before. They're supposed to be biodegradable, so they rot down. They seem like quite decent tubes, stapled together, so obviously the staples won't rot down. But we'll give them a go anyway, see how they are. Right then, so it says to place these in a box and tie them together, but I found this tray which came with all the pots in, and they just fit nicely into there. So I'm going to use this, get these put in it and get them filled up with compost. And hopefully get some seeds sown. So I'll bring you back when I filled this up. Right then, so that's all them filled. Not quite to the top, as you can see. Tap it down, but put the seed in and top them up afterwards. So I'm going to be doing French climbing bean first. And I'm going to do 10 of each, I think. So start with the French climbing bean. And I'm just going to place one seed in each one. I'll just push them into the soil a bit. Like I say, I will be topping these up with compost. That should be enough of them first. We'll do another succession sowing a bit later on, so we can continue cropping further on into the year. And these sweet corn are Incredible F1. And I'm just going to put 2 of these in each one. and if two come through we can just cut away the weakest one. And if you haven't already, guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. And let me know in the comments if you're growing any beans or corn this year. And just let me know how you sow yours. Right, so just going to top these up now. Then we'll give them a good watering, and these can stay in here until I've seen signs of germination, then they can go straight out into the polytunnel. Right, so I'll take these out, give them a good soaking and bring them back in after. Right then guys, so that's about it for this one today, and testing out these new biodegradable grow tubes. Let you know how they work out. Just follow the videos along, see for yourselves, but I think I'd better get to it and start transplanting some of these plants. Sow my pongo beans and maybe a few other bits. But that's it for this one today, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.